Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the future of medicine. In the hall of the Kaiserin-Friedrich-Haus, experts presented cutting-edge advancements in medicine. They highlighted the future challenges and why the next advancements will be achieved faster. In vivo gene therapy. In vivo therapy could revolutionize medicine by curing diseases at their root. Despite some challenges, the current approaches are promising. This therapy could be applied against countless genetic mutations. Autonomous robots in surgeries. Surgeries are being increasingly performed by autonomous robots. While it may seem strange to many, this technology provides more safety, less blood loss, and a lower probability of errors. Exoskeletons. Mobile exoskeletons could offer a higher quality of life for people with paralysis or disabilities. With this technology, they could leave their wheelchairs, and in the future, these devices could be controlled directly by the brain. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants and chatbots can support those in need by serving as interlocutors or aiding in daily care. They can also be used in the areas of prevention and wellness and could even assist in early disease detection. Value-based healthcare. In the future, doctors and hospitals could be paid based on the quality of their service, rather than quantity. Some countries are already compensating based on quality. With this method, patient experiences are considered in payment. Many rapid advancements are being made in medicine. Steady growth in the area of healthcare digitalization is essential. It allows medical personnel to focus on their core tasks and spend less time on bureaucracy and administration. There's a lot at stake. However, digitalization should not be pursued solely for its own sake. A comprehensive interconnection of data and services poses a significant challenge, but it's one we must undertake in order to shape the medicine of the future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and exciting topics.